Struggling to find your store's sales data in Hostinger? Let's fix that now. If you have been clicking around the Hostinger dashboard hoping to stumble on your orders or your revenue, I have been there. It is frustrating when you know the data has to be somewhere, but you just cannot find the right menu. In this quick walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to click to access your store analytics, from total sales all the way down to product performance. Alright, let us jump into it. First things first, you need to open up your Hostinger website builder. This is the main hub where you design and manage your site. So go ahead and log in and get that open. Now, once you are in the builder, look over on the left-hand sidebar. You will see a few different menu options. What you want to do is click on the button that says Store. That is your e-commerce section, and it is where all the good stuff lives. Once you are in the store area, take a look at the top of that panel. You will see a little icon that looks like a bar chart. It is a small grid with a few bars going up. Go ahead and click on that bar chart icon. A new submenu will slide out. From that list, you want to click on Analytics. This is the dedicated dashboard for your store's performance. So click that and give it just a second to load up the data. Now, you are looking at your analytics dashboard. It might look a little busy at first, but let us simplify it. You will see a highlighted box or a default time period at the top. Click on that highlight to open up the date range picker. This lets you look at sales from the last week, the last month, or a custom date range. And here is a really useful trick. You will see a drop-down that likely says No Comparison. Click on that first No Comparison drop-down. This is where you can compare your current performance to a previous period, like last month or last year. To keep it simple for now, just make sure it is set to No Comparison. There might be a second drop-down that also says No Comparison. Click on that one too. This is usually for a different filter, but by setting it to No Comparison, you get a clean view of just your current data without any extra clutter. Now for the good part. Let us look at your actual numbers. Click on the card that says Total Sales. This shows you the total revenue your store has brought in during the time period you selected. It is a great way to get a quick pulse check on your business. Next, click on Total Orders. This tells you exactly how many individual purchases were made. It is a simple number, but it is really powerful when you watch it over time. Now click on Average Order Value. This is a metric I love because it tells you how much each customer is spending on average per purchase. If that number is going up, it means your customers are adding more to their carts. And finally, let us look at performance on a product level. Click on Total Sales by Product. This will break down your sales and show you exactly which items are your best sellers and which ones might need a little more attention. So there you have it. From being lost in the dashboard, you now know exactly where to find your total sales, your orders, your average order value, and your product-specific data. If this guide helped you find your way around, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.